Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today in this video we are going to see the implementation of two linked list related functions which are insert at beginning and insert at end. So without any further ado, let's just get into it. So first of all, I'll just include the standard libraries header files, include stdio.h and include standard library.h. Now first of all, I'll define two structures. One structure for the node which will have two elements like data and one self-referential pointer next, and I'll name the structure as node. And the second structure I'll define just to hold the start value, like to hold the address of the starting node, and I'll name it as head. Okay, and now towards writing our function. First function void insert at beginning. This will take two arguments, head star t, which is like the pointer to the start node, and one element which we want to insert at the beginning. So first of all, I'll create a node star p, and p I'll assign it some memory through malloc. Size of node, and now as we all know, malloc returns a null pointer, so we need to convert it to the type node star. After that, p arrow data. In p arrow data we are going to store the element, and after that p arrow next is where we are going to point to where my start node is pointing, and my start node will point to where p is pointing. So if you do it in this manner, you don't have to think about whether if the linked list is empty or if it has some elements in it. This will take care of both of those cases. And now to see if what we have written is correct, let me quickly write the display function. Display, I'll write head star t, and for display also I would require one node q. So first of all, I'll check if my linked list is empty. I'll just print that my linked list is empty, and I'll return. Else q is going to point to the start node, and while q not equal to null, I'll just print q arrow data. So print %d q arrow data, and q equal to q arrow next. That's it. Yeah, that's it, I guess. And just after printing this, I'll just print one new line character. That's it. Yeah, now to write the main function, I'll just create x and x dot start. I'll make it as null, and now I'll insert elements in it, like 63. Just copy this, and yeah, 34, 56, 78, and 99. So, and after this, the display function to see what we have written and return 0. Let me just quickly build it. Yeah, no errors and run. So as you can see, I got 63 got inserted first, and then 34, and then 56, then 78, and then 99. So like the output what we got was, first of all, 63 was inserted into the beginning, and then 34, and then 56, then 78, and then 99. This was the insert beginning function. Now we will write the insert at end function. Void insert end. Even this will take two arguments, like head start t and end an element. But for this insert end, we might need, if the linked list is not empty, we might need to like iterate through the entire linked list. For that, we would require two pointers. So first of all, I'll just assign memory to p, size of node, and just to be on the safe side, p arrow next, I'll make it as null initially. So if my linked list is empty, like if t arrow start is equal to null, then t arrow start should point to p, should point where p is pointing. Else q should point to the start node, while q arrow next is not equal to null. Q equal to q arrow next. This will help me stop at the last node, while q arrow next is not equal to null. Let me stop at the last node. After that, simply I can write that q arrow next should point to where p is pointing, and that's it. With this, we took care of inserting the elements in the end. Now just let me insert end ampersand x, and let's say minus 45. Let me copy some of this. Yeah, 23, 19, like all this is going to be insert at end. Let me write something insert beginning ampersand x, and like 200, and insert at end, let's say 50. So till here the output was this. After 99 we insert at end 45, so we should like get 45 after 9. After this 45 in the end, after that 23 in the end, after that 19 in the end, 200 in the beginning, and 50 in the end. So this is the output that we're supposed to get. Let me just quickly build it. Yeah. Okay, so there's an error. Okay, we'll see about that. Just a minute. The insert end function Yeah, we never like inserted the data into the P. So P arrow data should be like ELE. Yeah. Now I guess this should work fine because we were getting garbage values earlier. And yeah, so as you can see, 299, 78, 56, 34, 63, minus 45. Why am I not getting minus 45? So there, yeah, minus 45. That's what I'm saying. It has to be minus 45. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please give it a big fat thumbs up. And if you appreciate my efforts, please subscribe to my channel. If you want this code, I'll provide it in the description.